off Consumer Reports. Are these open credit cards? What are you talking about, bro? What type of credit card are you talking about? How's your credit still looking? How's your credit still looking for a grant? Sure. Go ahead and shoot me a DM. Shoot me a DM. I needed that money for car payment. I'm weak. What can I do with a 740? You can do a lot of stuff with a 740. Well, what do you want to do? 704 at 18. That's nice. Good shit. Good shit. Tiffany, you gotta send me. You gotta DM me. Go to my page and shoot me a DM. What do you think about Self? Self-Lender is lit. Self-Lender is lit. I like Self-Lender. I like Kovo and Extra Card better, but Self-Lender is cool too. What's a good bank to build credit? Anyone? Whatever bank that you're with, right? But I like credit unions for sure. Credit unions for sure. They're a lot more lenient. They give bigger bags, bigger credit limits and stuff like that. But yeah, wherever bank you're with, you can start building your credit. High school scores with no credit history are useless. Huh? Oh, high scores with no credit history are useless. Facts. Octavia, what's good? Octavia, what's up? What's up? Tiffany, you got to hit my page. Go to my page and message me the word king. Okay? Message me the word king. Can I get approved for a Ford Raptor with a... No, you can't, bro. No. Just got my second round update. 11 deletions, 6 accounts updated to positive. Hey! Anna. Hey, Anna, you were real skeptical that first round, remember? Anna, you was real skeptical that first round. We came in strong. Let's go. 19 credit of any higher than 70% of the people. What? What are you talking about? I had one late payment in November in the past year by 1 day. Is it possible to get it removed? Yeah, you can dispute late payments. If you want to dispute it yourself, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle. If you want us to do it, go ahead and DM me the word King. I would try to explain it all, but what's going to happen is you're going to shoot me a DM and say, hey, bro, do you have any of this stuff written down? I've already been through this 100 times. So hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle. It got the late payment sauce in there. Does income matters when getting the loan approval? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. What's some good credit unions? Look at, you literally type in credit union. Go on Google. You type in credit unions near me. Okay. Type in credit unions near me and a whole bunch will pop up. Go get 2, 3, 4 of them things. Open up a checking, a savings, certificate of deposit if you can. Put a little money in each. You know what I'm saying? Go back in a week, request a credit card or two, and you lit. It's literally that simple, you guys. Once your credit is decent, you can definitely make it work. Tiffany, I got you. After the live, I got you. Donaldo, what's good? Leak said, interesting. What's up, bro? If I live with my parents at 17, should I spend all my savings for M3 with a 650? Oh, shit. No. No. My young homie, please don't spend your life savings on no M3. My young homie, don't do it, bro. I'm telling you. Just use me as a guide, bro. Use me as a guide. I'm telling you, don't do that shit. I'm waiting on my 3rd round results now. Let's go. What do you think about Credit Strong? Credit Strong is cool too. I have Credit Strong on my list. If you guys need some easy accounts, hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts, and they're all in there. Okay, why are you giving lessons with a, wait, how many points? Wait. Where is the 800 credit score? DJ, we're going over how to get an 800 credit score. How many points does Kovo give you? It doesn't work like that, bro. You don't know how many points they're going to give you because everybody's credit report is a little bit different. You know what I'm saying? Depends on how many accounts you have, what's your credit age. But Kovo's a really good account to get because no hard inquiry, they report fast. You're pretty much guaranteed to get approved, and it counts as an installment loan. So it's going to help you out. All right. Why are you giving lessons with a 715 credit score? Oh, look at my man. He thought he was cooking. Look at Joe. Let me look at his profile pic. Oh my God, Joe, stop it, bro. I'm not even gonna get on your head, bro. It's Friday. I don't want you crying in the closet tonight. All right, but Joe, these are all client results, bro. Everything I showed today is all client results. You show people the results before and afters. You show people what you can do for them. All right, you always lead with value first, Joe. So if your daddy never taught you nothing, I just taught you something, Joe. All right, but I'm gonna go ahead and block you. Go ahead and block you for hating. We don't do that negativity around here. Go ahead and get off my chat, Joe. He said buy a Lamborghini. Stop that. Is that common to have to send another letter to the courts because they didn't respond? Yeah. I'm telling you, the bankruptcies, sometimes it takes 1, 2, 3 tries for them to even send something back. All right. I don't even want to think about credit. I'm going to just yeet myself. I'm weak. Don't do what King did at that age. Facts. I tried to buy a Lambo at 17. Let's go. What's ghost credit? Bro, you're making stuff up. It's probably called something else. I'm 18 with a 733. The 733 is cool, but it's all about your report, bro, like your profile. So if you got a 733 with only one account, that's not that good. But if you got 5, 6, 7 accounts, good age, well, you're only 18, so you probably don't have that much age. But you know what I'm saying? You want to build up that credit profile, bro. So if you have less than 5 open accounts, you need to start working on it now. All right, hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts. It's all free. Let's go. Why is my Credit Karma 660 but my FICO 610? Been working on paying off balances. Because you've already asked me this before in one of my lives. I remember you. It's the scoring model is different. All right, so Credit Karma has a different scoring model than wherever you got your FICO score from. That just means that the scores are calculated differently, right? It don't mean this score is right, that score is right. It just means the scores are different because they're calculated differently. All right. These are client results. We have to read and listen more before we speak. Facts. I'm curious what else I should add on my report. Bro, you've been adding a lot of stuff, bro. Relax. You'll get there, my brother. I get out 2 inquiries. I'm new. Drop 700 to 590 run. Ivana, those inquiries didn't drop you 109 points. That's not what inquiries do. So it was something else. Okay. So you might have got some inquiries. You might have spent some money, or utilization might have went up a little bit. Some new accounts might have got added, but 2 inquiries don't drop you 109 points. That's not how it works. All right. So definitely something else is going on. Okay. Yeah. So if you got a choice between Credit Karma and Experian, I would use Experian too. Look at, I'm just showing Credit Karma because these are just client results. This guy started in the 500s. Everybody knows Credit Karma. You know what I mean? But the only difference is the scoring model. All right. So that the accounts and activity on Credit Karma, that's pretty accurate. But the scores is a different scoring model. All right. Okay. I think I'm going to keep it up. Let's go. When it comes to removing child support, is the same process as bankruptcy? Pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. But for child support, you can actually we've actually found inaccuracies on child support. You know what I'm saying? And we disputed it that way too. But it's pretty much the same process, pretty much. Credit score bad, but income good. Can I get a loan? Income good, but credit score bad. Why your credit score bad? We got to match that. That credit score got to match that income. You know what I'm saying? We want it looking good all around. Let's go. If you need some help, DM me the word King. I've been with your company for 3 months. Now I start with a 47 scores to 618. I'm beyond grateful. Hey, let's go. Ain't nothing like these live results, y'all. I'm telling you, man. Let's go. Instagram, what's good? Facebook, what's good? YouTube, what's good? Let's go. Y'all can drop your questions in the chat, y'all. Let's go. I only need a repo remove. How can I do it? Kev, if you want to do it yourself, hit the link in my bio, get that King Credit Bundle and get to work. But I'll break it down for you real quick. All right. I got 50 seconds for your comment. When they repo your car, they usually sell it in the auction a couple days, like 30, 60 days later, right? So when they sell it in the auction, okay, they're supposed to update your credit report. So here's an example. Your car is 20K. 20K is reporting on your credit report. They repo your car, they sell it for 18K. Okay. Now, when they sell it for 18K, okay, the lender gets a lot of that money. So the account's supposed to update, but a lot of times it doesn't. So instead of 20K reporting, it should be 20 minus 18 is 2,000, right? So 2,000 should be reporting. So we can get them on that. There's like 2 or 3 other ways we can use too, but that's the easiest way, right? So we reach out to the repo company or the auction company. We get a bill of sale or a receipt that proves that that car was sold. Okay, and then we're using that on our dispute letter when we find that inaccuracy on that credit report. All right, but that's a quick, super quick explanation, bro. But I break all that down for you. Hit the link in my bio, get the King Credit Bundle, and get to work. All right, let's go. How can I get my score up fast, Carla? Carla, look at you guys. When you say stuff like this, I have no idea what's on your report, what negative accounts you got, how many positive accounts you got. You know what I'm saying? So that's like going to the mechanic with your car messed up, going to the mechanic and just giving him the keys and say, what's wrong with my car? He's gonna say, I don't know. We gotta hook this shit up to the diagnostic machine. You know what I mean? It's the same shit. We got to see your credit report. We got to look through it. We got to see what's going on. Okay, Carla. So DM me the word King. Okay, DM me the word King and schedule that free consultation, y'all. Anybody can do that. Let's get it. I have paid off credit cards. How do I get them off my report? Hold up. He said my score higher. I'm 19. Let me see his profile pic. Oh man. Look, you know what? He 19. You 19. I'm not even gonna gas you, bro. Hey, you got it. You got it, young blood. Hey, you win, bro. You win. Even though these aren't my scores, this isn't my report. I'm up here teaching for free. My 19-year-old, you win, bro. You won that life. You win. Oh man, hold on. Here we go. Flawless one. I have paid off credit cards. How do I get them off my report? Paid off credit cards. Were these open? They were open and you just paid them and now they're closed? Were they charge offs? Were they just were they closed with a balance but not charged off yet? I need more information. This doesn't really help me at all. Okay. Get a little more specific with it. What about an old cable bill? Yeah, we can dispute cable bills too. Do that all the time. Cell phone bills, car insurance, all kind of, whatever kind of collection it is, you can dispute it. Why is it when dealership checks your credit, it goes down? Because they run your credit a lot, right? They run your credit a lot. So that's just part of the game, man. But it's 2024, y'all. We're not going to the dealership for for our loans anymore. We're using our bank that we're already with, or we're hitting the credit union. Okay, because the bank or the credit union, you're gonna get one hard inquiry, right? You can get pre-approved. The rate's gonna be better. It's just an overall better experience. So if you're with a credit union and your direct deposits and stuff already get deposited into that account, the personal loan, auto loan, mortgage loan stuff, it's super streamlined. It's super easy because they can see everything already. You know what I mean? They're gonna pre-approve you, or they won't pre-approve you. Sometimes they'll run everything. And then they'll give you like a cashier's check or a letter of acceptance that tells you how much you got approved for. It's just a better overall situation when you get your auto loan from the dealership or from the credit union. It's better overall. Are you a part of RPX? No, man. I was going to join it when it first. When Marcus first started it. I was kind of already in that, not in that circle, but like a circle step like on the side. You know what I mean? I just never joined it, but that's a good program though. Good program. Yeah. If you got the funds to do it, go ahead and join, man. They got some good stuff going on over there. Jose, what's good? Hey, fresh cut. How can I? Let's go. I need an old credit bill. Hold on. Removed immediately. So it's a collection. If you want to do it yourself, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle, got all the collection stuff, right? But here's what you got to do pretty much. You got to get that credit report, right? We got to find some inaccuracies. If you don't know how to do that, the videos on each one of the guides have a video on there showing you how to find inaccuracies. We're going to call the bureaus and update our personal information. We're also disputing inquiries that aren't attached to open accounts while we got them on the phone too. Then we're opting out of our secondary bureaus, CoreLogic, SageStream, LexisNexis, ARS, right? Check systems and early warnings are a little bit different. Everybody doesn't have to opt out of those, out of check systems and early warnings either, but we're going to opt out of those secondary bureaus, and then we're ready to dispute. When we dispute collections, though, a lot of people just dispute with the bureau. That's not good enough. We're disputing with the bureau, and we're sending a completely different type of dispute over to the collection agencies, right? Credit bureaus verify, collection agencies validate. All right. Credit bureaus verify, collection agencies validate. Let's go. Is it normal to have nothing change to sign up with credit repair after 4 months? No, that's not normal. Something should change. Yeah, something should change. If not, reach out to the company and be like, hey, what's going on? They should have a refund policy in place. They should have something in place. Okay. Adrian said, how much does your credit score go up when you finish paying off a loan? Bro, what's crazy is your score actually drops, bro. Your score actually drops. It's kind of messed up, but I get why it drops though, because when you pay off a loan, right, you have one less open account now, and all the age that you have built up with that account, the account's closed now, right? So you're not benefiting from that anymore, right? So you lose the age associated with that account. So, but to some lenders, if you paid it off early, no late payments or nothing like that, some lenders like looking at that, right? They like seeing that, especially if it's like an auto loan. So people think that you can just go get a Lambo, right? You can't do that. Okay. People think you can just go get you a Lambo. No, that's not how that shit works. All right. To get like a car like that, like a supercar, okay, something like that, they want to see on your credit report that you've already had some type of car like that or similar or somewhere in the area. You know what I mean? So that's why it's good to have, previous car loans that they can see on that report, right? So even if you're going to try to get you like $150 to $200,000 car, they want to see that you've had an auto loan for at least 100, 125. You know what I mean? They want to know that you're going to be able to handle those payments and stuff like that, right? People think you could just go buy a Lambo, right? Most people can't just go do that. Okay. You can get referred over there and stuff too, but yeah, that's not how that shit works. Okay. But so your score does drop when you pay off a loan. It's part of the game. It is what it is. So I tried to dispute inquiries and they told me to call the company and have them send a letter. Yeah, Shalia, you can do that too. You can do so that same inquiry letter, instead of having the bureau address up top, put the company address on top and send it to them. Okay. A lot of the time, these companies, they just rather not deal with it. They'd rather just send you something and just say, oh yeah, we're going to remove this with this inquiry. Right. You can do that way too. You gotta go to my page and DM me the word king for a free consultation, y'all. I have collections. Landlord just declined my application. Help. Need to remove for a new job. Yeah, bro. That's if you're trying to move next week or in 2 weeks. Yeah, that's not the credit repair. Don't work that fast, bro. So for you, if you need to move immediately, I would do a pay for delete. Call the collection agencies. Tell them, hey man, I'm willing to pay X amount of money to get this account removed from my credit report. You always start off at 10% of the alleged debt. So if they say you owe 1,000, tell them you got 100 for them. Okay. They're either going to accept it. That's good. They're either going to negotiate. That's good. If they don't answer, just wait like 30 days. And then you're going to send another letter, pretty much the same letter, but certified mail this time. Right. Because they be acting like they didn't receive the letter, but you know what I'm saying? With the certified mail, they can't say that anymore. All right. Instagram, what's up? Yo, what's going on, big dog? This Lord Khalifa. What's good? What's good? Nathan, need to remove child support and remove a repo. You need to sign up, Nathan. Those are two tough accounts, bro. Usually people, when they try to do it themselves, it takes a long time, or it's just they just stop. because it's kind of difficult. So Nathan, go ahead and DM me the word king, bro. How do you effectively dispute collections effectively? I already went over that, bro. So hit the link in my bio, click King Credit Bundle, and it explains all that stuff. You ain't got to think about it, right? I did all the work for you. Should I pay off closed accounts? It depends on what type of closed account it is, bro. It depends on what type of closed account it is. My credit cards was closed and charged off. I paid them off before they hit collections. Okay. So, all right. So you do need to go on there and dispute those accounts. So we're going to go on there. We're going to find some inaccuracies and we're going to dispute. All right. So Flawless One, if you want to do it yourself, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle. You guys, the King Credit Bundle is DIY, right? That's do it yourself. Okay. So if you want to tackle this all by yourself, I got all the tools you need. Hit the link in the bio, get the King Credit Bundle. If you want us to do everything, us do all the work, us to dispute for you, us to create you a, your own blueprint, your own plan and everything. We do all the work. Shoot me a DM. All right. DM me the word king. Go ahead and schedule a free consultation and we go from there. Let's get it. What's the difference between Credit Karma and FICO? They're two different scoring algorithms, bro. Two different scoring algorithms. So even in the FICO scoring models, there's a whole bunch of different FICO scoring models too. Okay. Does child support go on your credit? Usually it don't if you're doing everything right. If you're paying on time and everything. IG mod is here. I got the bundle for the low. Y'all only 99 cents. Benji over there on Instagram going crazy. He said one inquiry. Yeah, that will. My FICO score the same as Equifax. Your Equifax is a FICO score, bro. Your FICO, yeah. Your Equifax is a FICO score. All right. So how you got Experian, TransUnion, Equifax score with Vantage 3.0. Okay, you got one with Advantage 4.0 also. You also got 3 scores for your FICO 2, FICO 4, FICO 5, FICO 8, FICO 9, 10, 10T, right? You got 3 scores for all of them. Okay. How should I get my credit up? Bro, what kind of question is that, bro? What's on your credit? What's on your credit report? My score changes on Credit Karma, but not Experian. Because Experian, you got to wait the full 30 days. Credit Karma, they change every 3 days. They'll update something. Okay. Haters get a pass today. I'm weak. How fast can you fix my credit? I don't even like that word fast. Because fast, when clients like this try to sign up, every 30 seconds, they're going to be like, hey, is there an update? Hey, is there an update? Hey, is there an update? And we keep telling them, no, we have to wait until they actually update your report. You know what I'm saying? So it just depends what's on your report, though. Depends on your report. If you got repos, collections, late payments, then shit, it's going to be a little bit. If you just got some inquiries, and maybe a charge off or two, it's going to be a lot faster. All right. So when people sign up with us, they usually start to see results within that first 35 days. But then clients usually stay with us around 3 to 6 months. Okay. Let's go. And we're not doing police reports. We're not disputing online saying this account isn't ours. We're not claiming identity theft. You know what I'm saying? This ain't your cousin's credit repair company. All right. Little Ray from down the street that be scamming. No, this ain't that. Okay. This ain't that. Let's go. Where we at? Free consultation. Yeah, Juan. Our consultations are free, bro. Do you have medical dispute letter in the King Credit Bundle? Yep. Yes, we do. He will see your other 50. I'm weak. How to clear credit card debt when you have bills? Trav. What you talking about, bro? What you talking about? It sounds like you trying to do something illegal, buddy. It sounds like you trying to make me trying to incriminate myself on my own live. That's not what we gonna do, player. Oh shit. Do you believe balance transfer to 0% interest credit cards is beneficial? Yeah, it's very beneficial. It's going to save you a lot of interest, right? Especially if your other cards were maxed out at 29, 39, 49% APR. Like, yeah, it's going to save you some money. But here's the thing. People think that you can just transfer the money and just leave it there. Like, you just transferring the money. You still have to pay it. You know what I mean? Is Credit Karma a legit app to check your credit? Yeah, Credit Karma is legit to check the activity in accounts. But people get a little confused when this says Vantage score, but you go to the dealership and they're using a FICO 8 or auto FICO score, right? They're confused. They're like, wait, my scores over here is this, my scores over here is different. Why are they different? Because they're using completely different scoring algorithms, like scoring models. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Tap that screen, man. Tap that screen if y'all learning something, man. We going crazy right now. I have 2 small collections. Let's go. 2 options, bro. Hit the link in the bio, get that King credit bundle, or DM me the word King. Let's get it. Okay. He said Benji playing pretend mod. I'm weak. I just got my shit to 704. Hey, let's go. For a home loan, is Equifax major? Well, they're all going to be major because you don't. Yeah, you need them all. You need them all. So this is what you don't want. You don't want your Equifax to be 810, your Experian be a 780, and then your TransUnion is a 602. You know what I mean? You don't want that, right? So that's why it's important to have multiple accounts. All right, multiple accounts, because some accounts don't report to all 3 credit bureaus. So that's why those scores are always different and fluctuating, because not all your accounts report to all the score, report to all the bureaus. You know what I mean? So that's why it's important to have multiple accounts. If you guys need some easy accounts, if you have less than 5 primary accounts are just the ones that you apply for yourself, right? So under the trade line, okay, so they're all trade lines, right? Authorized users and primary accounts. They're both trade lines, okay? But for some reason, when people say trade lines, they just mean authorized users for some reason. I'm not sure why that happened, but yeah. But primary accounts are the ones that you apply for yourself. Authorized users are the one you kind of get added onto and piggyback. Okay. My score is low and I have medical debt. Jenny, let's work. Shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. Let's get it. Schedule that free call, y'all. Question: I just started my credit card with $200 limit from Capital One. Is that good? Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. You did a little secure card. There we go. That's a good way in. Now you got your security card. I got some other accounts for you, bro. Hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts, grab that Kovo and that extra card, right? Those are 2 primary accounts. One reports as an installment loan, one reports as a revolving account. No hard inquiries. Okay, they report fast. So you can go from 1 account, now you're going to have 3 accounts, right? In about 30 to 45 days. Okay, I meant to tell you your trade line link is down saying it's unsecured. They blocked it. Oh, shit. Let me check it. Hold on. Let me check my trade line link. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I see what happened. It's the old list anyway. It's the old list. Let me update. I'm gonna update this trade line list. Yeah, that shit old anyway. I'm gonna do that after the live, y'all. If y'all looking for trade lines, we got a couple available. That just when you go to my link tree, it'll say trade lines, right? And this says updated 615. Those are hella old. Hella old. My man, your people get to work fast. Hey, because I be on their ass, bro. Hey, they think I don't be watching. I be watching. I'm telling you, bro. Look, if you schedule a consultation in the morning, or even in the afternoon too, but especially if you schedule one from anytime from 8 to like 3, we should have your disputes out. Like we should have your disputes out that day. You know what I'm saying? So we work fast, man. We're not, I know we're most of the 2 standard in the month and the gold are monthly plans, but we're not trying to keep you, you know what I'm saying? We're trying to get you in and out of there, because for me, a video testimonial or a 5-star review or getting great results that I can post to attract more clients, that's more important to me, you know what I'm saying, than trying to drag it out. You know what I mean? A lot of companies, they'll do like, that's why whoever you're working with, man, you got to check up on these people, because a lot of people say they're unlimited, like they send unlimited disputes, but a lot of them don't send unlimited disputes. A lot of them are like Lexington Law, right? Lexington Law will send like 2 or 3 disputes per month. That's insane, right? That's insane. We send, look at, hold on. Let me change this up. Hold on. We're disputing. Oh, that's the old one. Oh, that's the old report of the week. Damn. I thought the 6, I thought that, yeah, I'm tripping, whatever. But something like this, right? Sorry, Instagram, y'all can't see it, but I'm just showing some client results. You see all those deletions right there? If you have 100 negative items on your report, we'll dispute 100 negative items each month until we get them all off. You know what I mean? So we're not trying to dispute 1 thing or 2 things. We're trying to get everything removed. Okay? We're trying to get you in and out of there. Right? We want to get you right, especially in that first or second dispute, first or second round. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to get you in and out of there so you can go tell 20 other people. You know what I'm saying? I want you telling 50 other motherfuckers. I want you at the family reunion talking about, hey, King Credit Services, man. They get you right, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get people right. Let's go. All right, let me get right. Let me get right. Let me scroll up. Can you update my profile? What do you mean? Saline, what do you mean update? That's what text the 844 number. That's what you ask customer service for, right? But you only get an update every 35 days though. Okay, so yeah. What credit cards do pre-approval that are not Capital One and Discover? Pre-approvals, a lot of credit unions do it too. A lot of credit unions, bro. How do we know our accurate score if dealerships use a different report? Because if your credit report is tight, whatever scores they get are going to be good too. All right, so because we don't know, right? Or you can use my FICO, right? My FICO, they show you your different FICO scores on there too, right? But you can go off your FICO 8. It's going to be similar to your FICO 8 most likely. All right, so if you need that one, just hit the link in my bio, scroll down, and it says get your FICO score for $1. It's a trial, a 7-day trial for $1. If you like it, keep it. If not, cancel it before the 7 days because they will charge you. Okay. What do you need to do to balance them out? To balance your scores out, just make sure that all the utilizations down on each account. Keep paying them on time. You don't want to add no negative accounts. But just when you add new accounts, you can ask them, hey, who do you guys report to? Right? Who do you guys report to? Okay. You don't want to have 20 accounts that only report to Experian. You know what I mean? Most accounts usually report to at least 2 though. All right. Usually report to at least 2. I want to buy a house. Are you able to assist me with fixing my credit? Yes. Let's go. I can't wait. Let's get it. DM me the word king. Let's go. I have Kovo. It's so good. Hey. These stall tactics trying to hold me back. Yeah, bro. They want you to quit. So when they send them stall tactics, they want you to stop, but we don't stop. Keep it going. I have Kovo. It's so good. Let's go. I'm telling you that Kovo lit. My Capital One account went from 200 to 1100. Is that good? Yeah. So you got a credit limit increase. That's really good, bro. Let's go. Hell yeah. My struggles increase on my report now. How can I get them off? So the increase not attached to open accounts. That means that if you applied for it and you didn't get it, you can dispute that. All right. So all we're doing is getting our report. We're highlighting those increase so we can mention them when we call the bureaus. And then we're calling them up and disputing this stuff. I give you the script and all the numbers are called and everything. All right. Hit the link in the bio. Get that for inquiries. Get the how-to guides. Okay. How-to guides. Those are free. Right. It gives you the script. The numbers are called and everything. I got a 750 on this app. Is that good? That's solid. That's solid. How do I remove a late payment? Hit the link in the bio. Get that King Credit Bundle. They got the late payment sauce in there. Okay. She said mine didn't update yet. All right, Salneen, yeah. You need to reach out. Say, hey, the 844 number, just say, hey, Anna, I'm looking for my update. And she'll help you out. All right. What are some good credit cards for college freshmen without any credit? I wouldn't suggest getting a straight credit card yet. There's some accounts called like starter accounts. These are created to help build your report, right? Help build your credit profile. So hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts. I got them all laid out on there for you, all free. Bro, I'm not taking advice from someone with a 700 credit score. Jones, you know what's weird with haters? You know what's really weird with haters? Haters will take the time, okay, to jump into someone's live and make a comment. So that actually means haters subconsciously like you. That's what that means, bro. You subconsciously you like being in this live, bro. You don't even know why. Jones, let me take his profile. Let me look at his profile. Hold on. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Yeah, bro. You might need to get off of TikTok, bro. But these are all client results. All right. I show all receipts, bro. You know, Jones. So go ahead and block him. Block these haters. Jones will stay. All right. I was about to block him. How much? Depends on your report. We got 2 monthly plans everybody qualifies for. You can upgrade to the platinum plan if you want. But consultations are free because we need to see your report to even know what plan you qualify for. Okay. I used to let people just go on my website, answer some questions, and sign up without talking to anybody. But that's a recipe for disaster because if they're not getting the results they think they should be getting, they're going to start yelling at you, charging back. I don't want those type of people. You know what I'm saying? I can choose now who we work with. You know what I'm saying? In 2020, I couldn't do that. In 2020, we couldn't do that. In 2024, we can work with whoever we want to. Okay. So yeah, everyone does a consultation. It's better that way anyway, though, because you get to ask your questions and you know, pretty much get everything that you need to get answered before you sign up. You know what I mean? It's a better situation. What's the next step after they sell called verified medical collections debt? Nikita. So next step is round 2. Right? Round 2 with the bureaus and validation number 2 with the collection agencies. Nikita. So if you don't have the King Credit Bundle, you probably don't know what I'm talking about. Grab that King Credit Bundle and it walks you through all that stuff. Okay, because you probably disputed online or something and just said this account isn't mine or something. That shit don't work. Okay. It's like the unlimited wings at Applebee's where they only bring you 3 wings at a time. I'm weak. He said I work at a long. Hey, what you mean on the low, bro? Bro, hit me, man. Let's get a I'm partnered with a credit union out here. I'm partnered with North Island Credit Union out here. They be sending me all kind of people each month. Yeah, bro. When you registered and bonded, you can actually do actual business. You know what I'm saying? That's work, bro. Let's make this money on. You think Security Service is a good bank to get a loan from? Security Service. I never heard of them before. Okay. Number not working. Doesn't make sense. Chris Ann, the 844-689-0199. Yeah, you text the word TikTok to that number and you receive a message back. If it's not working, it's probably because you blocked us or something. Okay, that happens a lot too. The King, let's go. He said, I'm scared of their response. I mailed my stuff out certified and followed everything. Let's go. For consultation. Yeah. Yeah. Chris Ann. It's this number right here, y'all. Here. Hope I don't get shut down for this. Because they do be tripping. Let me see. Damn. All right, man. Hold up. I'm trying to find some. Here we go. This person's on the gold plan. This person's on the gold plan. But that number right there. The 844. Text the word TikTok. It's one word. Okay. TIKTOK. All together. TikTok. Right? You can do it right there. Text that number right there. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hold on, bro. What's your experience looking like? My scores always are between a 780 and an 810. Right? Just depend on how much utilization I'm using, bro. Hey, he said he submitted his ID at 4:40 PST. They had a whole report done and dispute started last night. Hey, let's go. Let's go. I'm telling you, man, we move fast, bro. We move quick. We ain't got time to waste. All right, because we with all these other credit repair companies out here, most of them aren't even companies, you guys. Most of them aren't registered or bonded. They're just random people trying to fix credit, scamming, they ain't doing nothing right. Okay. But you have to stand out somehow, man. So besides the results, right? Customer service gotta be on point. We leading with speed. You know what I'm saying? Everything's super professional. All right. So you got to stand out somehow. Okay. Stuck at 619. Most of my accounts are student loans. So Jojo, that's the problem. You have all installment loans. Installment loans don't get credited to your utilization. To your utilization. Okay. So you need some revolving accounts. All right, Jojo. So if you already got some accounts, you should easily get approved for the extra card. And then you probably get approved for like the Capital One Platinum. Okay. So Jojo, hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts. The second link is the extra card, and then on the bottom, I think it says Capital One Platinum. Okay, so do extra card first, all right, and then go ahead and do the Capital One Platinum. Okay, the Capital One you should be able to get approved. Pre-approved. The Don was good. He said, "What can I do with a 780?" Bro, you can do whatever you want with a 780, bro. You can do whatever you want. Jones said, send us your credit score so you can show us how it's done. Oh, Lord. Got a sample letter from Credit Goat, sent out 3 disputes and still validated the debts. Hold on. He said, I need help. DM me the word King. Let's get it. Or you can text the word TikTok to that number right there. Okay. Sample letters from Credit Goat sent out. Yeah, I don't know who the Credit Goat is, but yeah. Sample letters, you guys, if they're not constantly, you have to update your letters every 60 to 90 days, right? I'm literally about to update ours again. But wait, credit sent out 3 dispute letters and they still validate the debts. Yeah, so you can't send validation letters to the credit bureaus. That's not how that works. Okay, validation letters goes to the collection agencies. Okay. So if you're disputing collections, you need to be sending validation letters to the collection agencies and then verification letters to the bureaus. Okay, so he got it all messed up, bro. So if you need a step-by-step with the guide so you can walk along and all that, read along with it, hit the link in my bio, click King Credit Bundle. It's super cheap, bro. It's like $30, man. You get thousands of dollars of value. I'm telling you, bro. It's too much shit in there. Please do a number so I can console. Let's go. Texting now. Yep. Let's get it. Let's get it. Is that smart credit? No, this is my score IQ. My score IQ. Our how long before someone sees results? So when you sign up with us, you should start to see some changes within that first 35 days. But then clients usually stay with us 3 to 6 months, just depending on what's on the report. Now I said on average 3 to 6 months. Okay. We've gotten people finished way before that. Sometimes people have to stay a little longer. It just depends on what's on your report, you guys. Okay. Depends what's on your report. All right. If you got repos and bankruptcies, okay, you need to be ready for the long haul. All right. We got a lot of work to do. Okay. We're not doing police reports and litigation and this account isn't mine. We're not doing that. All right. Okay. We're actually doing it the real way. Okay. So when you do it right, it takes a little bit longer, but it is what it is. Okay. How does the extra card work? The extra card kind of works like a Amex low key. You get a spending power based on your bank account, right? Based on the money in your bank account, and then you use it just like you would with anything else. But you earn rewards points. You can get there's all kind of stuff in there. They have their own like in-house store. I bought was this last year or 2 years ago? Damn, might have been 2 years ago, but I bought an iPad on there with all my reward points. You know what I'm saying? You can buy Apple products, you can buy all kind of shit on there. So that's why I like it. It's tight. Okay, let's go. How can I get a repossession off my credit? Jessica, we went over repos a couple times already. So hit the link in my bio, click King Credit Bundle, and it has all that stuff on there. Okay, it has a repo sauce, anything else you need, collections, charge off, it has it all on there. Is it bad to be paying your payments before the due date? No, that's good. That's good, bro. What's a good credit score to apply for the Discover It? It's not about the credit score, man. It's more about your report. So like, as long as you don't have any recent negatives or not too many inquiries or utilization isn't too high, you got a couple open accounts, you should be all right. I think honestly the worst thing that's going to happen is one inquiry, right? We can dispute that. Okay. Thank you for your advice. My credit was hey. Let's go. 591 to 663. All for the free. I'm telling you, bro. Let's go. This is live right here, man. How do you feel about bankruptcies? Like doing a bankruptcy? I mean, everybody's situation is different. So if you feel like you're drowning in debt, you know what I'm saying? You don't know where to turn. Bankruptcy that's why it's there. It's a tool. But I think people try to do bankruptcies too quick. Right? I had somebody that said they were like 2,500 in debt and they want to do a bankruptcy. I said, boy, I said, you can get on DoorDash and make 2,500 in a week. Get your ass to work, bro. What are you doing? You know what I'm saying? So some people just try to do it too early. Like they just give up, they quit. You know what I mean? They think that's just people think you can just bounce back from a bankruptcy hella easy, right? You can bounce back, but it's just not no walk in the park, right? You can't file for bankruptcy, then the next month you think you good to go. You know what I'm saying? Like there's some downtime. You know what I mean? There's some downtime. So, but yeah, if you feel like you're drowning in debt, man, you don't know what to do, financial hardships and stuff like that, reach out to a bankruptcy attorney and they'll help you out. But for me, I'm gonna exhaust every option I got before I would do a bankruptcy. That's just me though. Now, on the business side, that's for the personal. On the business side though, shit. Man, if you drowning in debt, you can't pay your shit, you better, boy, let that business go. You can start you another one. Let that shit go, bro. But yeah, your personal side, I would try to work it out. Big Steve, 7 minutes left. Let's go. Yeah, not for the last month. Last 6 months have been crazy. My credit went from 669 to 520. Damn it. Yeah, I hate to hear that shit. Yeah, I mean, Jessica, if you need some help, man, DM me the word king. And yeah, we'll get you right. Let's get it. She said, right, get another one. I'm telling you, bro. That's the whole point of a business. Like, it's separate from you. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to go down with your business. Your business going down, let that shit go. Okay. How can I increase my credit from 558 to 650? Why is your score 558? And Jelly, why is your score 558? Appreciate the follows on Instagram. Hey, all right. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yeah, and Jelly, why you so we attacked the root problem, right? That's why I asked you, why is your score at 558? Like, what's bringing your score down? You know what I'm saying? Is it late payments? Is it charge offs? Is it collections, repos, evictions, child support, broken leases, timeshares? You know what I'm saying? What is it? That's what we have to figure out. I closed the accounts from collections. Okay, so you got collections. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna have to dispute the collections while we're adding some more positive accounts. Okay, because you need positive accounts to report. You know what I'm saying, to help that score out. And then we got to pay our balances. Now, there's a whole bunch of stuff that we probably need to do, Angeli. So, if you don't want to do all the work yourself, shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word king. We get your consultation scheduled with me and my team, and we go from there. Consultations are free. Let's go. All right. But let me see. The 19 people that sent me a DM, okay? Wait. So 11. So 11 haven't responded yet. Okay, so I'm gonna reach out to you guys right after this live. But when I send you the message, make sure you read the message I DM you, because some people aren't getting it. We have a strict no-show policy. All right. That means that if you schedule a call with us, okay, consultations are already free. All right. We're not charging you to look at your credit or nothing like that. It's all free. Okay. So if you schedule a consultation, you take the time out to schedule it, right? If you're going to miss, just reach out and say, hey, I need to reschedule this. You know what I mean? If you just don't show up, no communication or nothing, you can't work with us in the future. Right. And people really, really get upset about that. I got to start showing some of these emails, right? Because we block them everywhere else. We block. Yes, we block people, man. Okay. We block people. We ain't playing. All right. So, yeah, we got a strict no-show policy. So if you're going to miss or you need to reschedule, just let us know beforehand. You know what I'm saying? But the people that just skip, they'll be like, hey man, why my number blocked? It's because we blocked your ass. Okay. Cause we blocked you, bro. Actually, the system automatically does it. So if you just don't show up, we tag you no show. And then like in 48 hours, if you don't respond or anything, it just kicks you out of there. Right? You're done. Okay. So he said, you famous for blocking. Oh, bro, I'll block somebody so quick. I don't got the time for it. If I even have a hint that you negative or that you hate in any way, I'm blocking you. Because look at why we gotta sit here and be around negativity. We don't have to do that. Like, we ain't gotta sit here and entertain your negativity. That's crazy. Okay. Late payments. How can I remove late payments? Over there on Instagram, just hit the link in my bio, grab that King Credit bundle, and all the late payment sauce is in there for you, bro. Let's go. First time I was here answering questions, King would always say, "Hold up, man. What the hell?" Hey, facts. Hey, facts. In the beginning, Big Steve was just helping out. I'm like, hey, bro, I had to make sure his answers were right. But hey, we here now though. I need your help. Let's go, Ronisha. Let's get it. Just you see that number right there? You can text the word TikTok to that number, TIKTOK, or just DM me the word King. Okay. What kind of high tech system you using? I got something called it's called Ninja Automations. Okay, it's like it's Go High Level, but it's configured for credit repair owners, right? I got the plug too. If any credit repair companies need that, they need a good CRM, you know, the automations, the numbers, the funnels, the websites, literally everything, the groups inside of there, everything, courses, everything. Just let me know. Just shoot me a DM and I'll send you the owner's info. He'll get you right. Okay. But I was one of the first people to get Ninja Automations in like 2022. It was like me and like 5 other people. Dude, now they won the 2022, 2023 like the SaaS awards, like software as a service. They've won 2 awards already because their company has grown so fast. Right? Those tech companies, man, be growing. Those tech companies be growing. Can we DM you at any time or when you're live? DM me anytime. Anytime. So I need that type of energy. Let's go. He said, King almost blocked me. I'm weak. What do you think about the Navy Fed pledge loan? I like it. The pledge loan is nice. Yeah. I got kicked out of Chuck E. Cheese, ball. Oh my bro. Benji, stop. Bruh. Hey, you can't be at Chuck E. Cheese without no kids, bro. The parents gonna beat your ass, bro. I'm weak. Paid off my student loan, score dropped 11 points. Will it go back up? Yeah, it'll go back up eventually, bro. So anytime you pay off a car, mortgage, student loan, pledge loan, personal loan, secure loan, whatever it is, your score is going to drop because when that account closes, all those years you had attached to that account, they're gone now, right? You're not getting credit for that anymore. And you have one less open account, okay? Can you remove late payments? We can dispute late payments, yeah. Yeah, you never hear me say, we can remove it, right? I'm gonna say we can dispute it. Disputing it, then it gets removed after that. But when you just say, yeah, we can delete that, that puts in people's head that I'm guaranteeing results. Okay, that's something we can't do. All right, but we can for sure dispute it. Should I pay my car debt off in full or payments? Car was a total loss. Wait, should I pay my car debt off in full or payments? If it was already a total loss, bro, just pay the payments because you can use that money for something else. You know what I'm saying? Made an appointment. Let's go. Let's go. All right, man. It's 5:04, y'all. It's 5:04, man. That's my time. I will be back tomorrow at 11 a.m. All right, tomorrow, Saturday edition, 11 a.m. Happy Free Game Friday, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the live today. You guys, I'm live twice a day during the week. Okay, 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific time. And then on Saturday and Sundays, I try to go live at 11 a.m. All right, Pacific time. If you need a free consultation, shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King, or you can text the word TikTok to that number right there. If you want to fix your credit yourself, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit bundle, and get to work. Okay, get to work. He said, "See y'all Monday." Let's go. All right, y'all. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. I'm out. TikTok out.